Hello, let's learn today about the letters that make the sound of K. There are many letters make the sound of K. Number 1, when C is hard. The hard C makes the sound of K. Letter K makes the sound of K. The diagraph of C and K makes the sound of K. Number 1, letter C says as K when it's a hard C. It's followed by A or O or U. Cake, cat, cow, coffee, camel, carrot. Number 2, letter K says as K with E or I or Y. Kite, kitchen, king, keep. The diagraph of C and K together makes the sound K. We put the diagraph CK when it came after short vowel. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. For example, socks, duck, truck, sick, kick, clock, rocket, chicken, bucket, luck. C and K, or the diagraph CK, comes after short vowel. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. We also have the silent K. The silent K when the letter K don't make sound or we don't pronounce it in the word. For example, knife. In knife we don't say K or we don't pronounce K. We pronounce from N. Knife, no, knees, knowledge, night. In these words we don't pronounce K. K is silent. You should remember that the silent letters don't make sound and we don't pronounce it in the word. For example, knife, no, we don't say K, or we don't pronounce letter K in the word. In these words we don't pronounce K. K is silent. Knees, knowledge, and night.